The next problem, a die is thrown once, find the probability of getting. If a die is thrown once, what are the possible things we will get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Only these possibles are, right? So we have to find the probability of getting a prime number. So probability of getting a prime number. So total number of prime numbers divided by total possible. So number of prime numbers, number of prime number divided by total possible, right? So what are the prime numbers? How many numbers of prime numbers are here? 1 is the prime number, no. 2 is the prime, 3 is the prime, 5 is the prime, totally 3, right? So 3 divided by, what is the total possible? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, totally 3 divided by 6. So next is number of a number lying between 2 and 6. So probability number between 2 and 6. So how many numbers are between 2 and 6? 2 and 6, you can see there will be a 3 number, 3, 4, 5. So totally 3 divided by total is 6. 3 divided by 6. I think we can simplify 3 divided by 6, right? 3 by 6 we can write it as a 1 by 2, and this 3 by 2 also we can write it as a 3 by 6 we can write it as a 1 by 2. So next, third one is probability of an odd number. So totally how many numbers, odd numbers are there? 2 is an odd, so 2 is a even, right? So 2 we no need, 4 is a even, we no need, 6 is a even, no need. So what are the, how many numbers are there? 1, 2 and 3, right? So totally 3 divided by total is 6, same as 1 by 2. You can see all this have a equal probability, right? So here we go for the next problem. One card is drawn from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting a king of red. So totally how much is that? Total is 52 cards in a deck, right? Remember it. So first is probability of a king of red color. So it's a red king. So how many red kings are there? Can you remember how many red kings are there? There's totally 2 red kings there. Just wait. You can see here how many red kings are there? 1 and 2. So totally 2. So the probability of red king is 2 divided by total is 52. Even this we can simplify, right? 1 divided by 26, right? Next question, probability of getting a face card. So how many face cards are there? So for each card there's a 3 face cards, king, queen and jack. So totally there is a 4 shoot. So how many are there? 12, right? 12 divided by 52. So 12 and 52 have a common factor as an 4. So 4 it will come for 3 times and it is for 13 times, right? So 3 by 13. Next, probability of a red face card. What is the probability of? It should be a red color and also a face card. So totally 3 face card in each shoot. There's a 2 shoot have a red color. So there's a 6. 6 divided by 52, right? And the common factor is an 2. 3 times and it is 26 times, right? So probability is 3 by 26. And the next, fourth one is the jack of a heart. How many jacks are in the symbol heart? Let me see. See, there's a 4 symbol: heart, diamond, club and spade. So jack of a heart, only 1 jack is there, right? So 1 by 52. So probability of getting a jack of heart is a 1 divided by 52. And fifth one is the probability of getting a spade. Spade is a 1 shoot, right? So 1 shoot, how many are there? 13, right? The probability of getting a paired, which is equal to 13 by 52. So the 13 has 52 4 times, right? So 1 by 4, right? Then the sixth probability is finding the coin of a diamond. How many coins are in the diamond probability? A coin of diamonds. So how many coins are in the diamond? Only one, right? So 1 divided by 52. This is the answer. Thank you. The next problem. A dice is rolled twice. Find the probability that 5 will not comes up either time. 5 will not come up exactly one time. So if a die is thrown, totally how much will be there? So total is 36. Let me write this, then it will be easy to find it, right? So that is an we will be getting a 1 comma 1, first die 1, second die also 1, and 1 comma 2, first 1, then second times it's a 2, and 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 5, 1 comma 6. So let me fill that. So these are the 36 event that occurs. So first thing is probability of getting 5 will not come up either time. So probability of 5 will not come up either time, right? So let me check what are the 5s are there, then we'll cancel that, then rest are the thing. 5 will not come up either time. So either time how many 5s are there? Check that 2 times the 5 is there here, right? So this we will not choose. And we can say this is also 5 occurred, don't choose. This also you have to remove, this also you have to remove, this also, and same here, right? This also will be cancelled, right? So totally how many cancelled? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So 11 we should not choose. These 11s we should not choose. The rest of them we have to find the probability, right? They said 5 will not come up either time. Either time means it should not happen both, also it should not come even single times also. So the balance is how much? 36, totally 36. So totally 11 5s are there. Let me cancel that possibilities. Then 36 minus 11 is 25, right? So 25 divided by 36 is the probability. So the rest of the things is the thing we require. It says the P will not come up either time. So next the probability is 5 will not come up exactly once, exactly one times. So exactly one times how many is there? These things, right? Exactly one times here, this should not come, this should not come, this should not, this should not, this is 2 times. 2 times it can come. They said that exactly one, right? They said exactly once only we want to remove. If it twice we can choose. This will be removed, this will be removed, this will be removed, this removed. So how many are removing? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So from 36 if we minus 10 it is a 26. So 26 divided by 36. So this we can simplify to table. It will be 13 times and it is for 18 times. 13 by 18 is the probability that 5 will not comes up exactly one time. Next question. The king, queen, jack of club are removed from the pack of 52 playing cards. So from a deck there will be 52 cards. From that the only one shoot, the club is chosen, and the king, queen, jack were removed. And remaining 3 shoots they have a king, queen, jack, right? Remaining shoots are diamond, heart in, and spade. They have a king, queen, jack. Only from the club it is removed. And then remaining pack is well shuffled. Now what is the total number of cards? Totally the 3 is removed, right? King, queen, jack. So 52 minus 3 is the 49. So total is now 49, right? So total is 49 cards. Now that's well shuffled, right? Shuffled, within we don't know what card will be we are drawing. So one card is selected from the remaining cards. Find the probability of getting a heart. So probability of getting a heart. So how many hearts will be there? The heart entire, all the cards are there, no? So king, queen, jack of club only is removed, but heart all the cards are there. That is a 13 divided by, but the total number of card is 49 here, not a 52. Be clear, because it's removed. After the removing only we are picking the card, right? Next we have to find the probability of a king, first and second. So probability of a king. So how many kings are there? So normal card there will be a 4 kings, but here the club of king is removed. So remaining how many kings are there? There is a 3 kings. So 3 divided by the total is 49. The third question is a club. So probability of getting a club. So how many clubs are here in the club shoot? We removed the 3 cards, right? King, queen, jacks. So one shoot there will be a 13. So club there will be a 13. So 3 is removed, then the rest is the 10. So it will be a 10 by 49 is the probability. Thank you, students.